Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to get this amazing pink color using Arctic Fox hair dye. I'm only using virgin pink. In the past I've mixed virgin pink with a few other colors before, but I'm just going all pink. Arctic Fox has been my go-to color brand for quite some time now, so if you've seen my past videos you know that they are my all-time favorite brand if I'm doing like any type of fun color with my hair. I was getting sick of the blonde, so I was like, let's spice it up a bit and put some pink in there. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Stephanie and I do beauty, fashion, lifestyle type videos. Today I kind of wanted to just go back to basics, sit on my floor, use the window as some lighting, use my vlogging camera, nothing fancy, just, you know, bringing it back old school. If you're interested in seeing how I dye my hair, just keep on watching. Alright, so what you're gonna need to start dyeing your hair is freshly bleached hair. You can see mine's super white, so it's gonna hold the color perfectly. I'm going to use the Renpure Tea Tree and Lemon Sage conditioner. This has no sulfates, no parabens, so it's really great for your hair if you're gonna leave it on, and also it helps hold the dye and dilute it just a little bit more. You can use the Arctic Fox diluter, but I just like to use whatever conditioner I have, and this one works really well. Obviously, I'm going to be using the Virgin Pink by Arctic Fox. I'm not mixing it with any other colors. I normally do mix it with either Sunset Orange, is that what it's called? Or Sterling, but today I'm just doing strict Virgin Pink. You're also going to need a mixing bowl and brush. There's already dye in here because I did my extensions earlier. And then you're also going to need a shower cap just to put on over when the dye is setting. I usually leave it on my head for about 45 minutes. And I have some plastic gloves and a brush just to brush through my hair. So let's just start dyeing this bad boy. I hope I have enough conditioner because I used a lot for my extensions. Alright. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I'm using my vlogging camera because I just don't feel like getting out my big camera setup because you know what? We're going like OG YouTube on here. Just like a simple camera. I'm on the floor. We're dyeing our hair together. This is like, you know, old school. The amount of color that you want in it and how saturated you want your hair color to be, that all depends on you. I'm going like 2 big pumps of Arctic Fox here. And then I'm gonna just stir it, see. Basically, I'm gonna try to match whatever color I made my extensions to. Even if my hair's a little darker, it's fine because I'm gonna wash my hair more than I'm gonna wash my extensions. So if it's a little darker, it's fine. It's not gonna be too big a deal. I definitely don't think this is enough, but here we are. This is the color that I'm going for here. It's gonna come out a little bit more, less saturated on your hair than it is going to show up on your mixing bowls, so just be aware of that. If you want it super pigmented, then just add a lot more dye or less conditioner. Here we go. Put this here. Hopefully my mirror doesn't block the light too bad. And we're just gonna start. Alright, now that we are all dyed, I'm just going to kind of slick my hair onto itself. Put my lovely shower cap on. I look good right now. Not gonna lie, Colin can't resist me right now. We're going to leave this on for probably 45 minutes. It is 6:30. So, I don't know, maybe I'll leave it on until 7:30. I'm just adding to the madness right now. So, I don't know why. Maybe this bow will make me look cuter, or for some reason, it kind of works, right? So we're gonna leave this bad boy on for 45 minutes, and if it's still sunny out, I'll finish this video. If not, I'll be back in the morning.
The next day.
Hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell notification because who the hell knows what's going on with YouTube. Also Instagram, because everything's just going into a black hole like I've mentioned before. If you want to follow me on Instagram also, you can head over to @theblondegirldaily. I'm going to try and make it an effort to post every Wednesday at 4 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, because if I don't set a schedule then I won't follow it like I've been lately. I've just kind of been like randomly posting things, but I'm gonna try to stick to something. So every Wednesday at 4 o'clock, that's when you'll see new videos from me, so keep an eye out for that, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video. Bye!